The universe is saying to you today, sometimes blessings and opportunities come to us when we least expect. When it seems there is no hope, when it seems everything is going against us. Sometimes we cannot see them, touch them, and feel them, but they are there upgrading our being. Sometimes blessings and opportunities come to make us better, stronger, and help us see and dream more than we thought we could. Sometimes we have to trust the process more and stress less about how everything is going to work out. Believe that everything is happening for your highest good, divinely inspired and orchestrated. All is well. Type yes if you needed this. A chapter in your life is coming to an end. Rest assured that beautiful things are ahead in this chapter. Let go of all things that are out of control and move forward with a thankful heart and abundant thoughts. Type yes if you needed this. Your December reminder. As the year ends, I want to remind you that life gives you what you need: lessons and triumphs, hard times, the best of times, and the most mundane of years. So, go with the flow, go with life, look for opportunities and the beauty in the small things. Take your time, go slow, and enjoy the moment. Learn from the challenges. Look back with heartfelt gratitude and go forward with excitement and anticipation. Good things are coming, many challenges are behind you, but most importantly, fall in love this moment, an ending and a new beginning, a moment in between.